Number 449, contact lenses. Jenna puts in a new pair of contact lenses every 14 days. How many pairs of contact lenses does she need for 365 days? Okay. I may have seen that movie a few times. Okay, 365 days. Now, 14 going into 36, that one may be easy enough to see that it's going to go in there twice and give you 28. And then 2, right, times 14 is 28, gives us what we're going to subtract here. And we have 8 left over. And then we bring down our 5. 14 into 85 is a little bit trickier. And sometimes with problems like this, if you need to, it's okay to off to the side write, kind of write it out what it would be. So like 14 once is 14. If it's twice, it's 28. So let's see then, if it's 3 times, it's 42. So we're still not there. If it's 4 times, it's 56. If it's 5 times, it's 70. If it's 6 times, it's 84. There it is. So we need a 6 there. And that means we have 84 down here to subtract, and gives us a remainder of 1. So the answer to the division problem is 26 remainder 1. But these are contacts. So remainder 1 doesn't help us. So what she's actually going to need is 27 pairs of contacts.